Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Logitech Zone Vibe 125, a lightweight headset that's designed to deliver immersive audio for both work and play. So let's get into it. Inside the box, you get the headset, a receiver, a USB-A to USB-C adapter, a USB-A to C charging cable, a handy-dandy travel bag, and the user guide. Now, taking a quick look at the controls, on the left you have your call control, volume controls, power switch, a USB-C port, and a flip-out mic. And on the right you have your music controls. The Zone Vibe 125 is designed to deliver a great listening experience, and the 40mm drivers provide rich and immersive audio. With deep bass, crisp highs, and minimum distortion. Every word and every note comes to life with amazing clarity. This is complemented by a lightweight and ergonomic design that adds extra comfort for extended use. The flip-out microphone is a noise-canceling mic with beam-forming technology that reduces unwanted background sounds so you are always heard clearly. You can connect your headset with the included receiver, or via Bluetooth, or with the provided USB cable. In wireless mode, enjoy up to 18 hours of talk time or up to 20 hours of listening time, or you could go totally wired if that's more your speed. You can now customize your listening experience with Logi Tune. Adjust the mic levels and EQ for your preferred audio experience using the Logi Tune desktop or mobile app. The Logitech Zone Vibe 125 is a super comfortable, lightweight headset that'll provide a great audio experience for both work and play. The long battery life ensures both work and entertainment are uninterrupted, and the reliable connectivity helps you stay connected seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.